The central fiction of Western classical art is that it is a single moment frozen in time as seen by a single unmoving eye. That sort of drawing and painting sees very much the same way a camera sees, even though it predates the camera by centuries. But in reality, nothing is standing still. The artist is moving, breathing, thinking. The model is moving, breathing, thinking, getting tired, taking breaks, slouching, pulling themselves back upright, coming back to the pose as best as humanly possible. There's a phrase, you can't step in the same river twice, which I first heard reading up about Zen, but it's actually a Greek quote. I forget the name of the writer. The quote's actually Greek. No man ever steps in the same river twice, because it's not the same river, and he is not the same man. I have really resonated with this sort of thinking lately. This idea that nothing is standing still, I just find profound. That everything, my mind, my body, my house, is breaking down and being built back up in the same moment. And so I've been thinking a lot about the artistic traditions that don't do that classical Western thing. I've been thinking about Persian miniatures that show the scene, every different part of the scene from whatever angle works best. Indian tapestries, Asian tapestries, French tapestries, right? That break out different moments within the picture. They're not meant to be thought of as one frozen moment. And Cubism showing multiple sides of the same figure, because no single picture can explain anything, right? There's just far too much information in a single picture. Can one picture of one moment show all of everything? Can it show enough of anything to be meaningful? And of course, the world is just far too complicated to be distilled like that. And I know I don't have the ability to portray all of anything. I couldn't paint all of a hammer for you, much less all of a human being. But I wanted to create a depiction that acknowledges those multiple moments, that breathing, that change that is so essential in the nature of the world. To make a piece that is fractured but whole, whose multivalence, whose dissonance is unified in that, yes, from this one eye, from this one moment, it looks contradictory, but it's not broken. It's living in that complexity of trying to understand and trying to feel and trying to be and breathe with the world around you.